What is up, beautiful people? Have you ever found yourself halfway through a deal only to realize it's not worth pursuing? I've been there, and trust me, it's frustrating. But today, I'm going to show you how to qualify real estate leads from the get-go so you only focus on the ones that truly matter. In real estate, every minute counts. That's why I make it a point to qualify leads as early as possible. By asking the right questions, I can figure out if a deal is worth my time or if I should move on. I work directly with agents to streamline the process, but these questions work with wholesalers, sellers, anyone who has a deal. So let's dive into the 4 questions I always ask to qualify a lead. I'll break down how to ask them and why they're so important. Number 1, what is the condition of the property? You can't skip this one. You need to know if the property's condition lines up with the price. Is it a simple fix or a full rehab? The condition will tell you what kind of investment you're looking at and whether it's worth it. Here's exactly what you need to ask. What's the condition of the property? When was it last remodeled? If you get the year it was last remodeled, you have an idea of what it looks like in your head. What's the status of the majors? HVAC, foundation, roof, plumbing. With all of this info, you or your buyers can calculate the rehab they need to fix up this property. Number 2, what's the seller's motivation? First, you need to understand the seller's problems. You are a problem solver as a real estate investor, and if you do not know the problem, you can't help. Are they in pre-foreclosure? Do they have tax liens? Does it just need an insane amount of rehab? You want to get a sense of their situation and why they're selling. Ask this house seems awesome. What's the reason the seller is selling? And then remain silent. Let the agent or the seller or whoever you're talking to tell you the reason. Number 3, what price are they asking? Getting the seller's price expectation up front is crucial. It helps you determine if you're even in the same ballpark or whether there's room for negotiation. If their number is way off, it might be a deal breaker before you waste any more time. Ask this: what price is the seller looking to get for the property? Are they firm on that number, or is there room to negotiate? Number 4, when are they looking to sell? Timing is everything in real estate. A seller who wants to close quickly might be more motivated to accept your offer. On the other hand, if they're not ready to sell for months, you might want to hold off or keep them as a lead for later because the market can change a lot in a couple of months. So ask this: when is the seller hoping to close? Are they looking for a quick sale, or is this something they want to move on later down the line? The biggest challenge here is that sometimes, even with these questions, you'll get answers that sound good but don't hold up. A seller might say they're motivated, but then refuse to budge on their price, or the property might need to way more work than you expected. That's why I always ask these questions right away. It gives me a clear picture before I waste my time. If the numbers don't line up or the seller isn't serious, I move on quickly. Trust me, it saves you a lot of time and a lot of wasted effort. And if you want more strategies like these to qualify leads and find the best deals, make sure to like this video and leave a comment below and subscribe so you see